To the Weather Centre, everyone. Thank you, Marcel. We are currently experiencing mostly clear sky conditions over South Africa, and temperatures have dropped once again overnight, quite low over the interior. And although it stays clear for today, we aren't going to see too much in the way of rainfall. But towards the west coast, some cloud has moved in over that region. That is ahead of a very weak cold front that's approaching the area. There has been a little bit of overnight rain for the peninsula, but although much of the area will stay dry for this afternoon, later on a bit of rain does return to that part of South Africa. That includes Cape Town towards Langebaan, the adjacent interior, including parts of the Cape Winelands. So there is some light rain on the cards for that southwestern corner of the country later this afternoon and this evening. Winds also picking up for Cape Town ahead of that cold front along the eastern Cape coastline. Fresh to strong winds as well for today, and it also becomes gusty on the Highveld this afternoon between 20 and 30 kilometers per hour. And because of those winds and the dry air that remains in circulation, there is a high fire danger warning in place over those areas. That extends from the border with Botswana across the northwest into Gauteng, parts of Mpumalanga and the northern interior of KwaZulu-Natal for this afternoon. A quick check of minimum temperatures, and it's a cold start to the day for some parts of South Africa, especially for the interior. Sutherland and Bethlehem having dropped below freezing point overnight. Johannesburg starting off at a chilly 6 degrees, 9 for Bombela and Lephalale, a 3-degree morning for Ladysmith in KwaZulu-Natal, but double digits along the country's coastline. This afternoon brings warm weather to the northern and eastern parts of the country. Hot in the Lowveld, Bombela at 34 degrees, similar temperatures into parts of KZN. A fantastic afternoon on the Highveld in terms of temperatures, but much cooler in the west. We do have a drop in temperature over those areas, 16 for Cape Town and Sutherland. And now for a quick check ahead to tomorrow. A bit more morning rain in the forecast for Cape Town, otherwise dry over South Africa. Cooler into KZN with some cloud cover, but temperatures continue climbing in Gauteng. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Join me later for another update.